Yes, hello students. Today I am taking the problem number 7 of exercise 8.1. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle x square plus y square equals to a square cut off by the line x equals to a by root 2. Now see, when we draw the figure, it is the radius is a. So this point will be a comma 0. So definitely a by root 2 will be between 0 to a. So the required area equals to 2 into area ABC, that is 2 into a by root 2 to a, and it is y of circle. You see the circle is x square plus y square equals to a square. So it is y square is a square minus x square, or y is root a square minus x square. So we write here a square minus x square dx. Please see this part. And we have already done in the previous problems. The integration is x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and the limit is a by root 2 to a. See this part. And after this, you can manage this answer, but still I am explaining you. First, we put the value a. So when you put a here, it is a by 2, and this part is a square minus a square. A square. So this part will be 0 finally. Then it is a square by 2 sine inverse a by a. That is the first part, by putting a. Now the second part is by putting a by root 2. So here it is a by 2 root 2. This one. A by root 2 and this 2. And in the bracket it will be root a square minus x is a by root 2. So it is a square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse a by a root 2. Please see this part, in the bracket is there. So this step is very, very important. Now I am explaining you the next part of it. Please see this now. The solving part, chapter number 7, it is chapter number 7 only actually. This part will be 0 plus this is 1, sine inverse 1. So it is a square by 2 and pi by 2, because sine inverse 1 will be pi by 2, minus bracket a by 2 root 2, and this is, to explain you more clear, in the root it is a square by 2 minus, because of this minus it will be minus. So it is a square by 2, and this a and a cancel, sine inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. Yes? And if I remove the bracket from here, then it will be minus sign. You see the next part now. It is 2 pi a square by 4 minus a by root 2. So it is a square by 4 minus pi a square by 8. If you multiply with 2, pi a square by 2, a square by 2, and pi a square by 4. So here pi a square by 2 and pi a square by 4. So pi a square by 4 minus a square by 2. That is the final answer. And if you want still, you can take a square by 2 common. A square by 4 you can take common, then it is pi minus 2. So that is the area of this part. This is a very interesting and very simple problem. If you revise it, you can give the answer of this problem, and it is one of the important sum from examination point of view. Please revise it very nicely. Yes, dear students, you see problem number 9. Find the area of the region by the parabola this and this. Line this. This is the line. Now here, if you draw the graph of y equals to x square, it will be a parabola, upward parabola. And the graph of y equals to absolute x will be a V form graph. Now, by solving these two, y equal to x square and y equals to x, we write x equal to x square. So x square minus x equals to 0. So the value of x is 0 and 1. And when you put y equals to minus 1, here it is y. When you put y equals to minus x, then the value of x will be 0 and minus 1. So this is x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 1. Now we have to find this shaded part. So this part will be, this area will be 0 to 1, 0 to 1 y of line dx minus 0 to 1 y of parabola dx. Because this area will be from this full area ABC, we have to subtract the area OCAB. This area we have to subtract. So here the answer is 0 to 1 x dx minus 0 to 1 x square dx. Please see, this is the important step. So the next part is, when the common limit is there, then we can write x minus x square dx. And if you integrate this, it is x square by 2 and x cube by 3, and it is 0 to 1. So when you put 1, it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Yes? And we have to multiply this area by 2 at the end, because this area also we have to calculate. So this area is, if you take the LCM, it is 1 by 6. So what is the final answer? It is 1 by 6 into 2. So the answer is 1 by 3. This area is 1 by 6 and this part is 1 by 6. So the final answer is 1 by 3 square units. I hope this problem is clear to you. It is very simple and straight, and even this year it can be asked in the exam. Be prepared. Yes, dear students. Find the area bounded by the curve x square equals to 4y. X square equals to 4y will be a parabola, upward parabola, and x equals to 4y minus 2. So first of all, we will draw the graph of this. Now in this, if you put y equals to 0, then the value of x will be minus 2 and 0. If you put x equals to 0, the value of y will be 1 by 2. So that will be the straight line for the line x equals to 4y minus 2. The graph part you can manage. Now, when we solve these two, so on solving, x square equals to 4y and x equals to 4y minus 2. So x plus 2 equals to 4y. That is the first part and this is the second part. Now instead of 4y, if I put this value, then it is x square equals to x plus 2 or x square minus 2 equals to 0. Please see this part. And when you factorize this part, it is x minus 2 and x plus 1 equals to 0. So the value of x is minus 1. The value of x is minus 1 and plus 2. So this is the answer now. This point is there. This point and this point is point of intersection. It is x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 2. These are the point of intersection of the parabola and the line. Now we want this area, the area between the line and this part. So here we can say this area is A, B, C, D minus A, B, O, C, D. This will be the required area. I am explaining you the part. Please see. this area, the required area will be, the required area is area ABCD minus area ABOCD. That is, from this trapezium, if we subtract this area, this particular area, then it will be our required answer. Now you see, this first area will be minus 1 to 2 y of line dx minus 1 to 2 y of parabola dx. Yes? Now, according to the equation of the line, minus 1 to 2 y of line, you know the line is x equals to 4y minus 2. So x plus 2 equals to y. So it is 1 upon 4 x plus 2 dx. That is the y of the line. And what is the y of the parabola? Again minus 1 to 2. Y of parabola is, the parabola is x square equals to 4y. So it will be x square upon 4 dx. Now you see this 4 and 4, it is common here. So we can take this 4 outside, and it is minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 minus x square dx. See this part. That will be our answer. This 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 I have taken, and it is minus 1 to 2 x minus x plus 2 minus x square dx. So if you simplify, the integration of this will be 1 upon 4 x square by 2 plus 2x minus x cube by 3, and the limit is minus 1 to 2 dx. And dear students, I hope it is not required to explain you that how to put the limit and to get the answer. So the final answer of this is, by solving this part, is 9 upon 8 square units. That you all can manage. It is 2 ka square, 4 by 2, then 4, then 8 by 3, and you can simplify this part. We have done a lot of problems based on this. That is not a big issue. The main part was the how to calculate the, and in this line is very, very important. Very, 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 very important. That is the upper limit and the lower limit, upper limit, the curve, all these things are. Now why the line is at the first place? Because the line is at the top. Why the parabola is at the second place? Because we have to subtract the remaining part. So I hope this problem is clear to you. You can do these sums. The next problem we have already done, that type of sum. So in this way, you prepare the chapter applications of integration. Thank you.